What's up, guys? Happy New Year. In this week's video, I'm going to talk all about building your DJ brand. And what I mean by that is I'm going to give you 5 really quick and easy and simple strategies for marketing yourself and establishing yourself as a reputable presence in this wild and crazy industry of weddings and private events. Hang out, grab something to drink, and let's go through these really quickly. Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. Can you believe in just a few hours when it hits midnight, it's going to be 2024 already. It's crazy how fast the year has gone by. And now that we are in front of a brand new year, many of us are looking forward to an exciting time, an exciting next 12 months. And 2024 is going to be awesome for so many DJs out there. And I'm so looking forward to seeing all the amazing, incredible things that you guys do over the next year. Like I said in the beginning, in today's video, we're going to dive deep into the strategies for marketing and establishing yourself as a reputable brand. This is important because you want to be able to set yourself apart as a sought-after DJ. And if you're looking to take your wedding DJ career or private event DJ career to the next level, I'm going to go through 5 strategies for marketing and establishing yourself as the reputable presence in the industry. But first, I want to just say thank you to everybody over the last year throughout 2023 who has liked, commented, and subscribed to my channel. You guys have been absolutely amazing. So thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification, like the videos, helps the channel grow. Now, many of you guys know that I started out in this journey of YouTube and creating videos and creating content to really help new DJs sort of establish themselves, or new DJs who want to get into doing weddings and private events and they're not sure where to start or what type of things they have to do. So my channel is targeted towards the new guys, and I have received a lot of feedback from even established DJs over the years that have watched a lot of my content and they've gotten a lot out of it. They've thanked me. They're like, hey, you know, there's some things in here that I never even thought about. You've really helped me out. So thank you to both new DJs and established DJs that have helped the channel grow. And if you guys have really gotten a lot out of my content, then that's amazing to me, because I just want to be able to help you guys as much as I can. So let's briefly discuss why it's so important to build a really strong brand and why it's so crucial for your success as a private event or wedding DJ. A reputable brand, it not only attracts more clients and better clients, but it also creates a memorable and positive experience for the couples that you're currently working with. Now, when it comes to marketing and brand development, this is something that I know very, very well. For you guys out there who didn't know or may not have known, I am a solo op DJ and I have a full-time career in marketing. I guess you could say my experience, or I come on board with 20 plus years of corporate and international marketing with a strong focus on brand development, public relations, communications, and digital marketing. I currently, for my full-time career, I am Senior VP of Marketing for a very large national outdoor lifestyle company, and I've been with them for a couple of years, but throughout my career, my experience of 20 plus years of being in marketing, I've been guided and taught by some of the absolute best in the industry. I've done some things for the AMA, which is the American Marketing Association. I've given keynote presentations, keynote speeches on how to properly brand your company, and all the different things that you can do to market yourself better. Now, a lot of you guys out there also know that I am a writer for DJ Life magazine, which was, prior to becoming DJ Life, was DJ Times. They're the ones who put on DJ Expo every year. I've given presentations for DJ Expo back when COVID was a big thing and conventions and exhibits and conventions and all that weren't really happening. DJX went digital and they did everything online, and I was a presenter for one of the expos. So a lot of you guys out there, you guys do know me from writing my articles and my content in the magazines on how to properly market yourself, things that you can do when it comes to marketing and branding and communications and all that. So this isn't just somebody who's coming to you and saying, do this, do this, do this, with no experience or education, or someone who just, thought of it out of the blue. I come on board with lots of experience and proven results and working in my full-time career in a very high C-level position as a marketer. Okay, let's go through the 5 steps really quickly. Step 1 is defining your USP, and that stands for your unique selling proposition. This is what makes you different from other DJs. We know that DJs are a dime a dozen. There are tons of DJs out there, and there's a lot of them out there that are entering the industry who are vying for business, whether it's weddings or private events or corporate events or birthdays or school events, whatever. So you have to clearly define what sets you apart and what makes you different. It could be your music selection. It could be your charismatic presence. It could be the way that you create a personalized experience for all your couples. Being able to clearly articulate and define what your USP is and what sets you apart, and being able to incorporate that into all of your marketing materials, whether it's your brochures and banners or social media or even your website, that's clearly going to make couples understand why they should go with you, because you're different and you're not like the guy down the street who's doing everything like other DJs, or they're cookie cutter, or they're not creating a personalized experience for couples. So define your USP, figure out what it is about you as a DJ that makes you different and makes you stand out, and then make sure that that's articulated in everything that you do. Step 2. Professional branding. Professional branding is a key to leaving a lasting impression on future clients, new clients, whatever. You want to make sure that you invest time and resources in creating a visually appealing logo, business cards, marketing assets, a professional website. Your branding should reflect let me step back for a second. Let me just kind of tell you guys, when it comes to branding, it really should hone in and reflect on the style and atmosphere that you bring to all your clients. And remember, consistency is key. So you want to make sure that your branding is consistent from all of your marketing assets, like brochures and business cards, and even the shirts that you might wear out at events or at wedding expos or anything like that, as well as your website and your social media. Your branding is what people will remember about you. Everyone always says, people remember me because of how I played music, or my setup, or what I did for them. But your first impression that you give to people is always going to be your branding. So if you have professional, clear, good, visually appealing branding, people remember that. Think of some of the big brands that are out there, like Nike, the swoosh. Everybody knows what the swoosh is. They remember it. They know what it's associated to. So think of it in a sense where if you're just starting out and you're trying to develop your website or your social media, or figure out colors for a business card or a logo, keep in mind that you want to make sure that your branding is strong and it's something that people are always going to remember. Number 3, online presence. What I mean by this, guys, is we live in a digital age. Everybody is connected. Everybody is online nowadays. So make sure you have a strong online presence. And I can tell you guys, if you don't have an online presence, do it right away, because online presence, it's non-negotiable. You want to make sure you're creating profiles on as many social media platforms as possible. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Threads. There's a million out there. Your audience, your clients, they're on all of these platforms. So, Set up profiles on all these different platforms. Share behind the scenes content, client testimonials, snippets of performances. Make sure you engage with your audience too. Don't just upload content and then automatically not talk to people who are liking or commenting. Engagement is very, very important. It builds a community around your brand. So guys, again, having an online presence is crucial. So many DJs out there will say, I don't care about, all the different platforms that are out there. I just have a Facebook page, or I don't care about Instagram. I don't really upload pictures, or I don't care about YouTube. I don't do any videos. You got to do it. Unfortunately, to have a successful brand, a successful business, being on all of the, I would say, important social media channels and platforms is what's going to really help your business grow and, of course, make your brand grow. Number 4, networking and collaborations. Guys, networking is a very powerful tool in the DJ industry. You want to make sure that you're attending different bridal shows, you're connecting with other vendors, you're collaborating with other vendors, photographers, venues, wedding planners, even florists and caterers. Make sure that you're building a strong relationship with a lot of different vendors, because it can actually lead to a lot of referrals and partnerships, and more importantly, it enhances your credibility and widens your reach and your audience. Number 5, testimonials and reviews. Guys, happy clients are your best promoters. They're an extension of you and your marketing. You want to encourage all of your clients to leave testimonials, positive reviews, whether it's on your website, whether it's on Google, different types of review platforms like The Knot or WeddingWire, even, Facebook, social media channels. A lot of times people can leave reviews and testimonials on those platforms as well. Positive feedback is what builds trust with your potential future clients, and it reinforces your reputation as a reliable and talented DJ. There you have it. 5 simple, easy strategies to help you market and establish yourself as a reputable brand in the private event industry, or even the wedding industry. I'll say it again. Building a successful brand, or building yourself up as a reliable and professional DJ, it's going to take time, it's going to take dedication, but with the right strategies, you guys are going to be well on your way to becoming the go-to DJ for many different types of unforgettable events and weddings. Like I said, DJs are a dime a dozen. There's millions of them out there. But if you take the time, you develop these strategies, you develop ways to increase your brand, your presence, your reputation, all these other DJs that are just entering the market, it's not going to matter. Now, obviously, we know that there are a lot of clients out there who price shop, and they always go with the lowest price possible. They don't care about experience. They don't care about brand. They don't care about your reputation. They only care about money. Who's going to give them the cheapest services out there? There are a few ways to overcome that, but I can tell you guys that there are a lot of clients out there. There is an insane amount of money to be made from people who want a reputable brand, a reputable DJ, an experienced DJ, someone who has all of these strategies in place, and they're going to want to go with you. Now, when it comes to other DJs who are doing a lot of the same type of strategies that you guys are doing, well, that really comes down to you as a person and how you're able to sell yourself and market yourself and present yourself to clients where they're comfortable enough to hire you or book you for their event or their wedding. If you guys have any questions about this stuff, like I said, I come on board with 20 plus years of marketing and branding and PR and communications. Reach out, ask me questions. I will guide and steer you guys in the right direction. I'll offer as much advice and help as I can, and make sure that all of you guys are successful. It's 2024. I think we all could use a little bit of coaching, a little bit of guidance, and like I said in the beginning, I want to see everybody do some amazing things in the new year. And sometimes we all could use a little bit of help, a little bit of guidance. So if I can supply that to you guys out there so that your 2024 is incredible, please reach out anytime, and I'll be your advisor. As I always say at the end of all my videos, a day without dancing is a day wasted. Go out there, be an awesome DJ in 2024. Be a good human, kick ass, leave lasting good impressions on all of your clients. I hope 2024 is the best year of all time for many of you guys out there. And until next time, take care of yourselves.